Look around you. Chances are you see a window. Windows are everywhere. They are in our homes, schools, offices, and cars. We look through them every day. They let in light and air, and they give us a view of the world outside. But have you ever stopped to think about how windows are made? It's a fascinating process that involves some clever science and skilled craftsmanship. Windows seem so simple, but they are actually quite complex. Making them requires a deep understanding of materials and engineering. From the sand beneath our feet to the high-tech coatings on modern windows, the journey of a window is a testament to human ingenuity. In this essay, we'll take a peek behind the scenes and explore the fascinating world of window making. We'll uncover the secrets of turning simple sand into the transparent wonders we rely on every day. Get ready for a clear view into the world of windows. The main ingredient in glass is silica, a mineral that is found in abundance on Earth. Silica is a fancy word for something we all know: sand. This common material is more extraordinary than it seems. Yes, that's right. The same sand you find on beaches is used to make the windows in your home. It's fascinating to think that the grains beneath your feet can become a clear, solid surface. Of course, it's not just any sand. The sand used for glassmaking must be of a very high purity. Glassmakers use a special kind of very pure silica sand, which is carefully selected and processed to remove impurities. To turn sand into glass, you need a lot of heat. A lot. The process requires temperatures that are incredibly high. The sand is heated in a giant furnace at a scorching 1,700 degrees Celsius. This intense heat is necessary to melt the sand. That's hotter than a volcano. The comparison really puts into perspective just how extreme these temperatures are. At this extreme temperature, the sand melts and becomes a gooey molten liquid. This transformation is the first step in the creation of glass. Imagine a giant pool of melted sand. This molten glass is the raw material for all glass products. This molten sand, now called molten glass, is the base for all sorts of glass products, from windows to bottles to delicate art pieces. The possibilities are endless. It's amazing to think that something as ordinary as sand can be transformed into something so versatile and useful. The journey of sand to glass is truly magical. But the journey from molten sand to a smooth, transparent window pane is just beginning. The process involves many more steps to achieve the final product. Once you have your molten glass, how do you make it into a flat, smooth window pane? That's where the float glass process comes in. This ingenious method was invented in the 1950s and revolutionized the way we make windows. It's all about using gravity and a very special liquid metal tin. The molten glass, still incredibly hot, is poured from the furnace onto a bath of molten tin. Tin has a much higher density than glass, so the molten glass floats on top, just like a cork on water. As the glass floats, it spreads out, forming a perfectly flat surface. It's like magic. As the glass travels down the tin bath, it gradually cools and hardens. By the time it reaches the end, it's a solid sheet of smooth, clear glass. This continuous process can produce enormous ribbons of glass, hundreds of meters long. These massive sheets are then carefully cut into different sizes to make windows and other glass products. While the float glass process creates beautifully clear and smooth glass, it doesn't always meet the demands of every situation. Sometimes you need something a bit tougher, especially for windows that face harsh weather or potential impacts. That's where tempered and laminated glass come in, offering enhanced durability and safety. These special types of glass are designed to be extra strong and safe, making them ideal for a variety of demanding applications. Perfect for applications where regular glass might not be enough, such as in high-rise buildings or areas prone to natural disasters. Tempered glass, also known as toughened glass, undergoes a special heat treatment process. It is heated to a very high temperature and then rapidly cooled using air jets. This process creates internal stresses within the glass, significantly increasing its strength, making it much stronger and more resistant to breakage compared to regular glass. Think of it like giving the glass a suit of armor. This makes it ideal for use in areas where safety is a top priority. If tempered glass does break, it shatters into small, blunt pieces rather than sharp shards, reducing the risk of serious injury and making it a safer option for many applications. This is particularly important in environments where people are at risk of coming into contact with broken glass. Laminated glass, on the other hand, offers a different kind of protection. It is like a glass sandwich, consisting of 2 or more layers of glass with a layer of polyvinyl butyrol, or PVB, in between. This PVB interlayer acts like a super strong glue, holding the glass layers together even if they crack. This means that even when the glass is broken, the fragments remain stuck to the PVB layer, preventing them from scattering. Laminated glass is incredibly strong and offers excellent protection against impacts, making it a reliable choice for many uses. It's often used in car windshields, skylights, and security applications, where its strength and safety features are essential. Whether it's for protecting people in vehicles or securing buildings, tempered and laminated glass provide the durability and safety needed in today's world. Windows are great for letting in light and fresh air, creating a pleasant and inviting atmosphere in any room. But they can also be a major source of heat loss in the winter, making your home feel chilly and uncomfortable, and heat gain in the summer, turning your living spaces into a sweltering oven. That's why energy-efficient windows are becoming increasingly popular. They offer a smart solution to these common problems. These windows are designed to minimize heat transfer, effectively keeping the indoor temperature stable, keeping your home more comfortable throughout the year, regardless of the season, and reducing your energy bills, which is a win for both your wallet and the environment. One of the key features of energy-efficient windows is double glazing. This technology is a game-changer in window design. Instead of a single pane of glass, which offers minimal insulation, these windows have 2 panes of glass separated by a sealed airspace, creating an effective barrier against heat transfer. Think of it like a double-walled thermos, but for your windows. This design significantly improves insulation. The airspace acts as an insulator, preventing the quick transfer of heat between the inside and outside, slowing down the transfer of heat, which helps maintain a consistent indoor temperature. To further enhance energy efficiency, many modern windows also feature low-E coatings. This is an advanced technology. Low-E stands for low emissivity, which refers to the ability to reflect heat. These microscopically thin coatings reflect infrared radiation, which is a major component of heat, which means these microscopically thin coatings reflect infrared radiation, helping to control the heat entering and leaving your home, which is the invisible part of sunlight that carries heat. This makes a significant difference in temperature control. In the summer, low-E coatings reflect heat away from the building, keeping it cooler and more comfortable. In the winter, they reflect heat back into the room, reducing heat loss and keeping your home warm and cozy. A pane through time. The history of windows. Windows have been around for centuries, evolving from simple openings to the sophisticated structures we know today. The earliest windows, dating back to medieval times, were simply small holes in walls, often covered with oiled cloth or animal hides to keep out drafts. Glass windows were a luxury few could afford. As glass-making techniques improved, glass windows became more common, first in churches and grand estates, and eventually in ordinary homes. The Industrial Revolution brought about mass production, making glass windows more affordable and accessible to the masses. The 20th century saw the rise of skyscrapers, pushing the boundaries of window technology. Modern skyscrapers feature massive curtain walls made of glass and steel, offering breathtaking views and allowing natural light to flood interior spaces. These towering structures are a testament to the strength and versatility of modern glass and window systems. Windows of the future, smart and sustainable. Window technology continues to evolve with exciting innovations on the horizon. Smart windows, for example, can change their tint on demand, blocking out sunlight and heat or allowing it to pass through. Imagine windows that darken automatically on sunny days, reducing glare and the need for air conditioning. Sustainable materials are also gaining traction in the world of windows. Recycled glass is being used to create new windows, reducing the environmental impact of window manufacturing. Bio-based materials like plant-based polymers are also being explored as alternatives to traditional window frames. From energy efficiency to smart features, the windows of the future promise to be more than just openings in walls. They will play an active role in creating comfortable, energy-efficient, and sustainable buildings. The future of windows is bright and transparent. The human touch craftsmanship in window making. While the manufacturing of glass panes involves sophisticated machinery and technology, the art of window making extends far beyond the factory floor. Skilled craftspeople play a crucial role in transforming those large glass sheets into the windows we see in our homes and buildings. From precise cutting and shaping to meticulous framing and installation, every step requires a high level of precision and attention to detail. Window installers in particular are true artisans, ensuring that windows are properly sealed and insulated for optimal performance and energy efficiency. It's this blend of science and craftsmanship that makes window making so fascinating. It's a testament to human ingenuity, from the ancient art of glass blowing to the modern marvels of float glass and smart tinting. Conclusion: a clear view of the future. Windows have come a long way from simple holes in walls. From the magical transformation of sand into glass to the ingenious float glass process, window making is a testament to human creativity and innovation. Tempered and laminated glass ensure safety and security, while energy-efficient windows contribute to a more sustainable future. As we look to the future, smart windows and sustainable materials promise to revolutionize the way we experience the world through our windows. But one thing remains constant: the blend of science, technology, and skilled craftsmanship that goes into creating these everyday marvels. So next time you gaze out your window, take a moment to appreciate the transparent truth behind its creation.